Hello, my name is Qamar and I welcome you all to another class of IELTS. In this lesson, we are going to discuss again some speaking. I'm going to show you some ideas using which you can develop your speaking skills at your own. यानी आप अपने घर पे बैठकर स्पीकिंग स्किल्स की प्रैक्टिस कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. टॉपिक्स एंड आइडियाज. You need to prepare as many topics as you can, because in IELTS speaking test you can be given any topic to speak at. If you want the list of topics, you can go to my website www.qamarkhanqureshi.com and look for the list. वहाँ पे आपको एक complete list मिल जाएगी उन टॉपिक्स की जिन पे आपने तैयारी करनी है. Okay. And ideas. When you have chosen a topic, you need to develop an idea. Idea development क्या होती है कि आप उस टॉपिक के बारे में क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं और उनके क्या आंसर्स, क्या जवाबात होने चाहिए जो आपको देने पड़ेंगे, राइट? सो व्हेन यू हैव चोजन अ टॉपिक, you need to develop different ideas on that so that you are comfortable talking about it, speaking about it, and you are ready to answer all the questions that examiner asks you, right? So if you are well prepared, you know the answers, do that questions are familiar to you. If those questions are familiar to you, you're ready. It's a higher band score. All right. Okay. So the second thing is word lists. Again, vocabulary. I always emphasize on increasing, elevating, developing your vocabulary, which is very, very important. Use different dictionaries, read a lot, watch some good movies, listen to the news so that you have a complete range of word lists so that you can paraphrase. You can use one word for the another, right? आपके पास एक लफ्ज़ के काफ़ी ज़्यादा synonyms होने चाहिए. आपको उसका एंटोनिम कभी पता होना चाहिए so that you can confidently use those words in your speaking and in your writing, of course. All right. Okay. इसके बाद जो सबसे important काम आपने करना है वो ये करना है कि you need to grab your phone, get hold of your phone, which I'm sure is always on you, right? And कोई भी एक टॉपिक चूज करके आपने अपने आंसर्स उसमें रिकॉर्ड करने हैं. 5 to 7 questions, right? You have chosen a topic. Do one thing. Write 5 to 7 questions about that topic. Ask yourself those questions and record your answers. Once you have recorded your answers, turn off the recording and listen to them carefully, right? After recording, you can also write down your answers so that you can look for the mistakes that you might have made. All right? इस रिकॉर्डिंग के बाद जब आपने इसे सुना तो आपने लिसन एंड चेक उसमें क्या करना है. You have to listen to your fluency. कितने फ्लुएंट हैं आप, right? Your vocabulary, your grammar, and of course your pronunciation, right? All these aspects, they carry equal weightage, 25% each. Okay, so all together they make 100%. Fluency is length, of your answer. You need to give a satisfactory answer. It cannot only be yes or no, yes I do, no I don't. No, you have to build the answer, right? जैसे मैं कहता हूँ आपने बात में से बात निकालनी होती है. Okay, you need to explain a little. For example, again, the topic is computers, right? I love computers. I started learning it when I was a kid, and since then I am an adept in using the computer. Got it? So इस तरह से आप अपने लेंथ को बनाते हैं. Vocabulary, again, the range of words, कितने ज़्यादा आप वर्ड जो हैं वो यूज कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज पैराफ्रेजिंग, आपने पैराफ्रेजिंग करनी है. यू नीड टू यूज डिफरेंट वर्ड्स, राइट? Repetition of words is not good. If you use synonyms, again, it's a high band score. And of course, when you record your answers, you would be looking for your mistakes also. Okay? So vocabulary is again very important. Grammar, again, the range of tenses, you can say, right? For example, if you are using simple present tense, you should know how to change it to past tense, for example. Okay? Again, you are talking about your favorite weather, right? My favorite weather, I like cold weather, right? My favorite season is winters, right? Or something like that. And then you can say it was perfect last week, right? So आपने क्या किया, आप simple present tense में बात कर रहे हैं और फिर आप फौरन चले गए past tense में, right? So the examiner would know that he knows how to play with tenses. All right, so range of tenses, again, sentence structure is very important. You should know how to structure a sentence. And here also you will look for your mistakes. You need to use linkers as well. You know what are linkers? मैंने बताए थे, right? Because वगैरह आप use करते हैं. तो इस तरह से you have to look for the correct grammar. Pronunciation, like I said, it's very, very important. Correct word pronunciation, right? So your pronunciation must always be correct, right? And now intonation, do you know what is intonation? Intonation is, when I'm talking, my voice is going up. Sometimes at the other point it goes down. So it is like this. So this is intonation. It is very important to keep proper intonation when you are talking. You don't go like this, straight flat आपने नहीं बोलना. Intonation, ऊपर नीचे आपकी आवाज़ होनी चाहिए. जिस वर्ड पे, जिस पॉइंट पे ज़्यादा जोर देना है आप उस पर जोर दे के बोल रहे हैं, राइट? जिसे वैसे ही जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट अदा कर देना है, वो वैसे होता है. एंड इंडिविजुअल साउंड्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? यू शुड नो how to say ch, s, sh, right? So these are individual sounds. So make sure that all those words that start with these sounds, you know how to pronounce them correctly. All right. Okay, guys. So your assignment is choose a topic and then record your answers and look for all these things that I've just told you. And after that, again, practice and record again. Practice makes a man perfect. I'll see you in another IELTS lesson. Thank you.